Welcome Jethro's Garage. Hey, today we're going to go through some of the ins and outs of the Milwaukee 2888-20. Going to show you in action, and we're going to talk about some of the reasons why this is a great buy. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, let's look at this thing. I've got me a couple of things here I'm going to do. The first thing is I'm just going to demonstrate soldering these two wires together, and I'm going to try to get a good shot. And then I'm going to put some alligator clips on the ends of these two. Some of the tools I'm using, use a pair of these vice grip wire strippers. I'm also going to show you these. If you're ever at a big, tool show or whatever, don't get conned into these. I don't like them. My son seems to like them, but they just don't work all that well for me. Also going to show you these Doyle flush cut, precision flush cuts. I'm going to be trying them out. I'll do a review on them later. Here's the packaging for them. And I got my little snap-on. These ain't flush cuts, but they're here just in case. And then these channel lock crimpers, so I can crimp those alligator clips. And my cool little Lyle soldering tool, soldering clamp, and also little cleaner. I'm gonna be using a 2 amp hour M12 battery on this. It's a little smaller. I've got some 1.5 amp hour too. I am going to turn this thing on and set it in front of you, and you'll see when this stops blinking, it's supposed to be ready to go. So while that's blinking, I'm gonna start setting this up and getting everything prepped. These ain't working all that great either. Let's see. Oh, it says it's ready, so it's ready before I was. I'm gonna put this in here. Now, most of us could probably, well, I am going to twist these together. I know it's crazy. All I'm doing is making a little circle. But just trying to demonstrate here a little bit. So by the time I've got this sort of attached, we should be ready to start our what is it? Our crimping. Our soldering. If I can even get it to twist. I guess I chose some pretty thick wire. Crazy, ain't it? That ain't what I want. Do I need it longer? It'll certainly be plenty warm by the time. I was hoping to show y'all that it was pretty quick, but my slow butt ain't quick enough for it. The whole thing is, have you ever been under a dash and your soldering iron wasn't getting hot enough, fast enough? It is so frustrating. I probably don't need this at all, but I'm using it. just because. Okay, there we go. Now let's get in here a little closer on this so we can see it good. We seen that soldering iron was ready to go. Get on here and heat this up just a little bit. The goal on this is I want the wire to actually pull it in. So what's taking me so long right now is just me making sure I'm getting it where I want it. Wish my hands were steadier. We should be good there. Maybe. Yeah, I haven't heated the wire up just enough. It's already in there. It's just, I guess I'm being a little bit of a perfectionist and I'm wanting it to be in there better. But anyway, you get the idea. That didn't take very long. I mean, heck, I've only been recording for 7 minutes now and that was set up and everything. So now let's get that, let's come back out a little wider here. And I ain't gonna make you sit through me doing both the alligator clips, but just for giggles, we're gonna get this one done up. My neighbor's out mowing on his electric mower. It's a pretty cool little deal. It's a Cub Cadet. Yeah, be neat. It ain't super loud, so that's nice. He's able to, he's got roughly an acre here, or all of our lots, or a lot of our lots are roughly an acre. And he's able to do his whole yard on one charge, I believe. So that's neat. So I am going to try to do this something like this. Let's see, I'm gonna remove that one. I want this one up so I can melt solder and put it down inside that. But I'm not being very successful. Let's go from the other way then. Nope. Okay. This isn't the right tool, so we'll do this. And get her bigger again. Heat her up just a little bit. Getting it to go down in there isn't quite the easy task that I'd like it to be. Yeah, I don't think I've done things right here. But anyway, I think y'all get the idea. Let's bring you back down to... So when I turn this off, it's gonna flash red, or it's gonna show red, telling me that it's hot until it actually cools down. Clean her off. And let's go talk. So I've got a couple of soldering irons. And I really like a couple of them that I have, but this is my favorite. I mean, light here to help you see. Tells me when it's hot enough. It comes with interchangeable tips. It's just a nice little tool to have, and it wasn't real expensive. When I bought that, I bought a butane one as well, and the butane one was okay, but that one's my favorite. And I think I mentioned, maybe I didn't, that I bought it so that I can redo the wiring for my electric brakes on my travel trailer. But my wiring had just been shot, and it had had multiple blowouts obviously before I got it. And then I got it and I had one, and I had to go through there and just fix all kind of wiring issues. So, but that's that. It's the Milwaukee soldering iron. It's the M12. It's the 248820. Y'all look at it, check it out, tell me what you think. Put your comments down below. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care.